Hello everyone! Efficient time management is crucial for productivity and success. Here are 10 practical tips to help you manage your time more effectively. Clearly define your short-term and long-term goals. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you prioritize tasks and stay focused on what matters most. Identify tasks based on urgency and importance. Use tools like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Develop a daily or weekly to-do list. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Crossing items off your list provides a sense of accomplishment. Allocate specific blocks of time for different activities. Time blocking helps minimize multitasking and allows you to concentrate on one task at a time. Use time management tools. Calendar apps, task management tools, and reminders can help you stay organized and ensure you don't forget important deadlines or appointments. Identify and minimize distractions in your environment. Turn off unnecessary notifications, close irrelevant tabs or apps, and create a dedicated workspace for focused work. Be realistic about your time constraints. Learn to say no and don't overcommit yourself by taking on too many tasks. Group similar tasks together and tackle them during dedicated time blocks. This minimizes context switching, allowing you to work more efficiently. Schedule regular breaks to recharge. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working for a set time and then taking a short break. Short breaks can improve focus and prevent burnout. Reflect and adjust. Regularly assess your time management strategies. Identify what's working well and what needs improvement. Adjust your approach based on your experiences and changing priorities. Remember, effective time management is a skill that takes time to develop. Experiment with different techniques and find a combination that works best for you. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay in the loop. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in.